everyone! Today I'm super excited because I finally bought a camera. As you guys know, I have been filming with my trusty iPhone 8 since I started my vlog channel, and I had no intention of ever buying a camera. But then, since I'm going to be spending my summer holidays here and my vlog channel is also going stronger than I thought it would be, I decided that I was going to buy a camera, and my dad helped me sort through the options and filter out which camera I should get. I'm very thankful for that because I was so lost. I didn't know which camera to get, and I decided to buy the Sony ZV-1. So I just went to the shop. I went to a physical camera shop called Birmingham's Camera in Birkey, Dublin, Ireland, and they were really friendly, really helpful, and I got the camera, so I wanted to unbox it with you guys. And this is really like a milestone for me because I don't own any cameras. I have one DSLR back in Singapore that we bought in like 2008. It can't take videos, can only take photos, and yeah, I think you guys can tell I'm like so excited and so happy, and like, let's unbox it now. Okay, it's not really an unboxing video because I already took it out in the shop because I wanted to check the firmware of the camera, but let's get into it. Okay, so this was inside this, but I can't put it back in. Like, it cannot fit, so okay. Anyway, this is what the outer cover looks like. It says made for vlogging, and then the camera comes with this like fluffy thing, which after much research I realized that it was like a windshield so that the wind won't overpower your videos when you talk. And then the other side just looks like that. And then inside it is this box, and as you can tell, I already opened it. Okay, and we will open it right now. Ta-da! Okay, so it looks like this inside. The instruction manuals were all on top, but I took them out. They're in my bag right now. Okay, anyways, okay, it looks like that, right? I'm gonna show you the camera right now. It's really small and light. Like, I was surprised. It's definitely heavier than an iPhone, of course. But honestly, the size, let me see. It's like approximately the width of an iPhone 8. And it's shorter than an iPhone 8. So you can imagine how small this is. Like I don't know what to compare it to, like my hand. Look! And it's not turned on, but it has a flip screen so I can finally vlog and look at myself. I'm so stoked about that. And here you can see, like, I don't know if it's focusing because it's an iPhone 8. Here you can see like there's a record button, a mode button, and then an on-off button, and the zoom button. And then here, it's just like the usual camera buttons. And as you can tell, I'm not a camera expert. I don't know how all the functions and everything work. I bought this to vlog, but I'm excited to learn and make full use of this camera. So in the box, we also have the windshield thing that I was talking about that you can attach on the top. It attaches like that. So let me just see, how do you do it? Okay, guys, I am going to research because I don't want to spoil my camera right now, but yeah, just put it on the top, like here, I think. And then of course, the camera battery. And what I was so shocked about was that the battery is charged through this Android cable. There's definitely a better name than calling this an Android cable, but I was so shocked. Like, am I a boomer or what? Because I didn't know that cameras could be charged like that. I thought you always had to take out the battery and put it in a case. I never knew that it was charged like that. So yeah, this is really a pleasant surprise. And are you ready? The best part about this purchase was I bought this camera at $7.99 and they were giving away a free tripod, and not just any tripod. Right now the tripod I'm using is a €6 Amazon tripod that I got, and it's really flimsy, but this is the tripod that was made for this camera. Look at this! It's free. Like, the original price is €199, but they gave it to me for free. So definitely check out the shop if you're looking for a camera and a tripod. I'll put the shop name here once again. And okay, I opened it already, don't worry. It did not come in this haphazard packaging. But like, look at this tripod! Look at it. For reference, I'll show you my current tripod right now. Okay, I know my table's really messy right now, but just ignore the mess. This is my camera on the beautiful tripod. And this is my 6-euro Amazon tripod. Honestly, it serves me really well. This remote function is really good, but it is kind of unsteady. So I'm hoping that this one will be steadier, and I can't even put this back right now. I'm hoping that this one will be more steady than this one. Look at the difference. Okay, so it has like 3 legs. You open the other 2 here, and then you can like put it like that, or you can make it taller. And then there are like different functions here. I don't know how they work, but I'll find out and let you guys know. And then here's where you attach the camera. I think I could cry over the quality of this tripod. You know, like, my tripod is so bad that whenever I use it to take photos or take videos, like my current tripod, my 6-euro one from Amazon, like it always flops down, and if you watched like my videos, you can see like the camera flopping here and there. It's because the tripod is so flimsy, but like I'm so glad that I got this tripod. There's just some like instructions here which I have yet to read, but I'm so excited to read them. Oh guys, I forgot to show you, but it actually comes with a case too. A tripod case. It looks like this. The camera comes with a 1-year warranty, and then you register it online to get a 2nd year of warranty. So I definitely need that. And I also bought an SD card. It's 64 GB and it reads up to 90 MB per second. So I hope that it's compatible with the camera. I'll try it once the camera is charged. Hi guys! I wanted to compare the quality of the Sony camera versus my iPhone 8. Currently the audio that is coming out is from the Sony camera, so I'll just be talking a while to let you guys hear the audio and look at the quality. My Sony camera just died. Okay, so this is the iPhone quality and the iPhone sound quality, and I'll do an in-depth video on like the sound and the visuals, but I just wanted to end my unboxing video with this. I'm sure you guys can tell that I am so happy about this purchase, and once again, I know I'm really lucky and fortunate to be able to afford this and to have the support from my parents, because my dad was really supportive of me getting a camera, even though I personally feel that my vlog channel is so amateur and I don't deserve to buy a camera for it. My dad was really supportive and I'm really thankful for that, and I can't wait to use this camera. Don't go buying it yet. Let me give my review in the next video. But thank you for watching the unboxing with me, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!